Hello, have a seat. Today I'm gonna be crocheting a bunny hat beanie. Bunny beanie. Because I plan on becoming the 6th member of New Jeans. Oh my god. Hashtag main dancer, hashtag main visual. I meant to say vocal, but sure. Got it all. First step was to choose my colors. I went with pink and green. I've been really obsessed with pink and green lately. I followed a tutorial for this on YouTube. Definitely will be linking that below. Yes, I am watching High Picnic again because and now they'll have to do another one, right? This year to have New Jeans in it. They need to do, please make another one. This is half an hour's worth of work. Did I mention I'm a beginner? So I went out to take a break because I have weak wrists and it was snowing. I made a snowman. It's so cute. Look at him. Ah. Die snowman. And since that lasted all of 30 seconds and doesn't really count as a break, I came in and I danced. I'm learning a dance and I highly censored it for your safety. You're welcome. Then I did some hand exercises because safety first. I'm not about to get some carpal tunnel. You can tell I really enjoy doing these. I love my hand exercises. Did I mention I'm trying to finish this in a day, which is why I'm taking breaks for my wrist because I don't want to have to stop crocheting altogether. Also, I'm a beginner. Also, I'm obviously very slow at crocheting still. So I'm finished the first half. Does it look good? Does it look great? It's gonna be like this actually. Actually, I did too much. That was a waste of a couple minutes right there. Time to color change. Also, 50/50 just released a new song. Actually, I can't play that because copyright. I was literally just checking if they released any more music like last week. Asking ye shall receive. Where does this start? Hello? Ah, so strong. Yay! It's color change. Ooh, this is pretty. Does that look nice together? These colors? I don't know. I kind of wanted to do pink and white, but I didn't want to copy the person whose tutorial I'm copying. What have I done? I'm so confused. What did I do? Oh, I changed already. Okay, see. We go. I don't know what side is the front and which is the back, which looks nicer. They're both perfect. Obviously, I did it. I don't know what's going on here. It is 2:20. I'm getting bored, so we're gonna see if we can do the rest of this in half an hour. And then move on to the ears. Oh, actually, I don't like this color with this. You know what? We're gonna do black. We're gonna go emo mode. Bye, green. I do love you, though. And I'm sure it would have looked amazing. But so does this. I lost track of time. I think that's a whole hour because I was watching TikTok and scrolling makes slow. What? My brain's not working, I'm tired, but I think it's done. Nice! I just need to stitch it together now. Look at this. Ah yeah, it's a hat. Wow. It is in fact a hat. Should have stitched it with, wait, whatever, that's the design. It's so cute. Maybe I'll just leave it like this. Start a new trend. Actually, I didn't, I seamed it on the wrong side. I totally meant for that to happen. It's the style. A little stitchy stitch, right? Right. Wouldn't it have been smart if I left this super long so I could weave through these and pull it together with this? We're gonna try it anyway. I don't know where I'm supposed to, I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea if I'm doing this right. I'm too lazy to go back and watch the video, even though I'm gonna have to go back right after this to see how to do the ears, but this is also less satisfying because I wanted to weave through all and then like pull it and be like, now it's a hat. What is happening? But c'est la vie. This is not gonna be long enough. It's long enough, look at that. I just made a hat. And it only took me like 50 bajillion years, so... Oh, that feels good. Oh. Alright, let's make the ears. I lied. I needed another break, so... Just chilled for a bit, had a little snacky snack on my bed. I usually don't eat on my bed, and plus I just cleaned it, so I don't know, but it's desperate times. I don't know. Suban appreciation! And Inche and Soyeon, they're so amazing. Give me ice cream. And then I got an audition because I'm an actor. No, but I did have to work on that. And then I got tired of working on it, so then I went back to crocheting. But what I love doing is when they give you a movie and they're like, it's kind of like this. And I'm like, okay, now I have to watch a movie. So I watched a movie while crocheting. Acting. It is 5:46. I don't know why I filmed the time lapse where you couldn't even see what I'm doing, but I'm working hard, so. Does this look super weird? Because it doesn't look super weird. But I'm following the tutorial. Maybe I shouldn't. I don't know. I'm gonna go back and see if I can fix it. I finished the ear, I fixed it, and then I finished it. And it is 7 p.m. I have not eaten dinner yet, so I'm gonna go eat something. Chances are I won't want to do anything after, because believe it or not, it's approaching my bedtime. So I think the second ear might have to wait. But oh my gosh! Oh my god! Ah yeah, it's really commenting it. I'm too tired. But thanks to whoever invented the microwave, I was able to have a super fast dinner and get right back to crocheting. Woo! Yay! I finished both ears and I'm done. I'm going to bed. Where's the hat? I don't know where this goes on, how that goes on. Am I good? Go to sleep. Forgot to say that it is 8:18 right now. That took 48 minutes. Thought I could get it done in half an hour. Sadness. Anyway. Bye. Hello! It is 2 days later. I've been stalling this because I just hate sewing things. Ugh. Where's my needle? But it's time. Ah. I'm so tired. Where's the skizzers? This bed is dangerous. Hello? It's been 2 days because, I worked yesterday and work days are rest days. Minus the work. And I just hate sewing things together, but it must be done. 1 ear, 2 ears. So much going on right now. Here we go. I'm just gonna sew them randomly to the back here and hope for the best. Also, I'm watching To Do again for maybe the 5th, 7th, 8th time, who knows. I just kind of randomly sewed on the first ear because I had no idea what I was doing, and when I tried it on I didn't like it, so I took it off again and had to re-sew it, and this time I actually checked what looked good, which I recommend. I did it. Oh yeah. Look at this. I'm a bunny. Ow! Oh my god. I should have learned to dance. Oh my god. This and that. Oh, it doesn't stay on my head. Oh, it's really helping me. Oh, I'm going to bed. Thank you so much. Ow. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you make your own hat too, and we can get together and we can find my own K-pop group. The new jeans. Brand new jeans. And our song will be called I haven't thought that far, but and let me know what you want me to do next. But if it's not cool, I'm not gonna do it. No pressure. Playing around with foo up through the forest. Picking up the few mice, popping them on the head. To the wave. Ooh.